I'm at the Movenpick Hotel and Convention Center in KLIA. Today, this hotel I'm going to stay in the superior king room. I paid for $58 for a night, and then I'm going to show you the facility, and then the room, maybe the breakfast, the evening cocktail. It is a very interesting concept, very interesting design, and hopefully I can get a very good upgrade to a better room. I will going to check out 8 a.m. in the morning, so it's gonna be a very little bit rush. And now it's about 4 p.m. now. Let's see whatever I can share with you. The check-in is very fast, and then you're going to. I'm very lucky. I got upgraded to a deluxe room, and the club lounge is right over here. 5 to 7 p.m. I can come over here to enjoy the evening cocktail, I guess. I also got as a swimming pool is a level 3. Okay, as a platinum guest, I also get one welcome drink for free. So let's go to level 4 to check out my deluxe room. I'm inside my room. You can see a lot of natural light, right? Very good. So my room is right over here, upgraded to a deluxe room. I was hoping for a deluxe suite. Never mind, it's still very big. Okay, when you come inside, there's a place for you to place your luggage, which is very good. And it is empty at the drawer. I'm very happy to know this is a non-smoking hotel, because in most of the hotel in Malaysia, they still allowed to smoke. And then the char kway teow is only 38 ringgit. It is acceptable price. The telephone looks modern enough. A dining table at the entrance of the door. And what is this? How to open this? Oh, okay. They need a handle, right? Like how? If my hand is very smooth, how to open this? Okay, anyway, steam iron and ironing board. Bathroom is very good. 2 bedroom sleeper. The power plug beside the safe, and it is locked, so maybe I'll unlock it later. Hair dryer, oh, very important. Let me see the hair dryer. Okay, it looks like a decent hair dryer. I have never seen this brand before. I hope it can dry my hair fast. For the laundry, it's 19 ringgit to wash out a shirt. 11 ringgit for a t-shirt. Very affordable price. Weighing scale, empty. And it's even difficult to close. Look at this. My hand is too smooth. And extra pillow is right over here. Okay, there's 2 complimentary drinking water. Instant coffee, jasmine green tea, English breakfast from Bo, the local brand, and a capsule for coffee, and also brown sugar, creamer, and regular sugar. Here is the fridge, empty fridge, very good. And then it's empty. Check out, here is the view of the mosque. I am not sure will they put loudspeaker when the prayers start. I hope not, which is I am very near to them. And the welcome message, and the welcome message, welcome gift. The macaron looks big, right? This one, that it's just a regular macaron, just the effect from the glass. And 1 apple, 1 orange, and 1 green apple. I am not sure. I don't think this can put as a sofa bed. I don't think so. And where's the remote control for the TV? Oh, it's there. Let me see. Is it a smart TV that I can link my phone? Smart share, screen share. Oh, so which means you can share your device through your laptop and your mobile device. It's not bad. Let me turn it off first. Let's take a look at the bed. Bed runner looks nice. Oh, smooth. And there's a international power plug underneath the glass table. Empty Quran, right? If I'm not wrong, the Bible for the Muslim friend, and the prayer mat, master light, and ooh. Okay, ow. Damn it. Okay, I should not take this out. Okay. That's the reason why this piece of paper is here. Need to be careful. Don't anyhow unplug things that you're not familiar with. But it's a very cool concept that you can have the light like this. Okay. The light switches. And then, is that a power plug? Yes, universal power plug here. I think the design have to be changed a little bit though. Like, I think I prefer my power plug is here. Let's go to the bathroom. Ta-da! The towel is left over here, 2 towels. Bathtub is good. And the sliding door for the standing shower, rain shower over here. Oh, what is this? Oh, wow, that's cool. Okay, and they use this premium brand Molten Brown shampoo, lotion, hair conditioner, the toothbrushes, shaver, shower cap, sanitary bag, sewing kit, and the cotton and cotton bud. So these are the extra hand towel. Let's slide this door, then you get the toilet with the bidet. It's very nice. Okay, this is the room tour of the deluxe room. I found out that whenever I do bed tests, I should wear a mask because I want to jump in. The dust will not be affected me that much. Okay, smooth, soft, but not that smooth. And oh, it looks like a firm bed. Oh, okay. It's a very nice firm bed that are quite bouncy. And then I quite like the blanket here. It's actually quite smooth. And then the bed has 4 pillows for this. It looks like a queen size bed, but I guess it should be king size. The pillows are very, very soft. So I guess this types of pillow is like 1 is not enough and 2 is too much types of the pillow. But anyway, I hope I can get a good sleep. Okay, not too bad. I like this bed. And then 5 p.m. later I will show you the evening cocktail at the club lounge or the lobby lounge. I think this is a hotel run by a Muslim group. I see a lot of the Muslim word. I'm not sure they have alcohol or not. But before that, I'll go to the gym and the swimming pool. Then I'll go to the club lounge. There is a male and female swimming pool. So it's temporarily closed at the moment for the male swimming pool. Oh my god, it's going to rain heavily. Let me show you. Oh, actually the pool is very nice. And there should be another pool at the back. Let me show you how it looks like. Over here you can have a very nice sunlight, and the air here is quite fresh. It's perfect for you to come over here. Oh, where does this come from? Oh, there's a tennis court as well. So I will try my best to see whether they have sauna or steam room, and then try my best to show you more facility. This is how the club lounge looks like, but currently it's not open. So before the MCO or whatever what they call the virus attack, so here should be the place that you can get the food, and very nice meeting room, and that should be the place you get the buffet meal. Too bad the lounge is not open. We have to enjoy the evening cocktail at the lobby lounge. This is a male gym, and there is a female gym. I will not go to the female gym. I will just show you around. Can I open this? Lovely. And the machine here looks very good. It's totally new, and then you can catch a very nice view, the palm tree, while you're having your workout. I quite like it. Let me see where else I can show you. Maybe there could be a spa here, maybe. Yeah, it's a spa treatment room, VVIP treatment room. Very interesting. Maybe I will sneak into the female gym, because I was not able to go in, right? So there is a similar design, similar concept, treatment rooms, VVIP treatment room. And then the female gym has a view of the mosque. Interesting. My very first time to see a gym separated by sexual. Let's go to have my evening cocktail now. There is a convenience store right over here. You can buy a plain model for 100 ringgit. Any plain model lover, come over here to get something good. The big plane is only 250 ringgit. Interesting. And then you can also buy some postcard right over here. Yeah, very good to have a convenience store in the hotel. When I was upstairs, I saw this very cool capsule. I am not sure what is this about. Let's go have a look. This is very interesting. It's a spa treatment room. It is a Muslim-friendly ethics spa. Wow! Never heard something like that before. Maybe I'll give it a try. I found out that this is actually a halal hotel, which means that they will not serve alcohol. For the platinum guests, or you're entitled to get any evening happy hour, you can choose any pieces of the cake right over here. Very impressive. So I am going to come back later then to choose my cake. Gonna be crazy dessert time for me. This is a juice I ordered for my welcome drink, because there's no alcoholic beverages in a Muslim friendly hotel. That's what I choose from the counter. I have one chicken croissant. There are tuna croissant as well, and you can choose the cake from those slices already cut cake. This is a red velvet. I am going to try the chicken first. It looks a little bit dry, but maybe it's supposed to be that way, and it could be taste good when it's dry. It's like a what they call like a bak kwa. Like a chicken jerky, right? The Australian way. They serve it warm. It's very nice. If I've got not enough, maybe I'm going to order more to starve myself. Then I go to the gym, and maybe I'll try the Muslim friendly spa. I'm going to try the red velvet now. It looks very good. The chicken croissant sandwich is actually not bad. The more you eat, the more tastier. And maybe I'll try to get more croissant later. Yeah, let me give it a try. It is actually very good. I'm happy with it.
I'm look forward for my breakfast tomorrow now.
I had a very good sleep. Just showered. The water, I have to wait for a while for the hot water, but pressure is very good, and I love the shampoo very much. The hair conditioner can keep my hair very smooth. No noise at all. Although it's near to the airport, I can't hear any engine roar. When I was in the swimming pool, I heard the mosque pray by loudspeaker once, but it was a very, very short one. So it should not be a problem if you are concerned. Just have your room next to the mosque. And then I went to the massage last night. Super skillful massage by the male therapy. Every inch of my skin is like muscle is been stretched and pressed, and it's really, really good. But I'm not sure about the female therapists. And then I'm going to have breakfast now. Then I'll check out very early in the morning. Let's go.
This is the breakfast area. The breakfast station, sorry, the cellar station looks good. And coffee machine looks good as well. So there are pink guava juice, orange juice, apple juice, mango juice, detox water, and I think it's milk. 3 types of cereal, and pastry looks good. There are 2 different types of croissant, and the bread that for you to toast looks good as well. This is 1 types of cheese. I like it. They cover up a little bit, so there will be not much of food fly problem. Okay, let's go to take a look of the scrambled egg, baked bean. I am not sure. Oh yeah, here's a glove, so you can use a glove to take your food and open up the lid. All these things, it'll be safer. Give me a minute, yeah. Okay, got the glove, and there's the hash brown. Looks good. Chicken toast slice. That's good. Chicken sausage. The egg station, omelette, bread pudding. Okay, they keep it warm like this, it's good. And then the waffle. So here is the vegetable dal. Oh, it looks really good. Chicken curry. Oh my god, they have murtabak in breakfast. Very impressive. And then there's the roti canai paired with the curry. Very nice. Chicken congee and the plain congee right over here. And it is a congee condiment. Lots of condiment for you. And then here must be the nasi lemak station. It's pulut nasi. It means glutinous rice paired with the sambal ikan. Oh, something I never seen before. And here's the nasi lemak, and the sambal looks very hot. Chicken rendang and the bihun goreng and the fried dim sum. So the dining area looks good. Oh, hang on, I missed out 2 items. That's a fritter. It's called assorted fritter. So let me go to try the coffee, and then I will check out very, very shortly. The food selection is quite a lot. I'm happy with this. Checkout is very fast, professional, very clear to know that I have in-room dining. Yeah, I have the nasi goreng, which is a fried rice last night. It's delicious as well. And the charge for the massage. So as a Accor Platinum guest, you get additional 20% off from the massage, which is much more better. I will say that I don't mind to come back here. It will make it a healthier stay, which is I will not drink alcohol. It's very quiet. It's very comfortable here. I like the bed very much. I have a very good quality sleep. The breakfast is delicious. I love it very much. I also have a good workout in this hotel. Then it's very near to the airport. It's charged at 30 ringgit from here to the airport. They do have the shuttle bus, but it's only 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. and you need to pre-book the shuttle bus to the airport. So with that, I hope you like this video. Bye bye.